Alright, what's going on, y'all? We are here in Beverly Hills, California. You know, everybody's always coming out here to do supercar spotting, but now we're gonna take a different angle. We will be the ones being spotted. Today we are pushing. Today we're in a 2017 Acura NSX. So let's see what it's like to drive around Beverly Hills in a supercar. Check out the tour bus. Looking at the NSX from the tour bus with the roof chopped off. Now we're on the infamous Rodeo Drive. This is where everybody comes to spot all the supercars, take photos, and post videos.
And here we have the first viewers of the NSX live on Rodeo Drive.
Cool thing about the NSX right now, we are running in hybrid mode, so you can say we're creeping through the streets, Beverly Hills. This is where the ballers of the ballers shop. Full price, no discount, no coupons.
I saw this man in a Porsche. How about this yellow Rolls Royce?
There you go, man, pulling out with his Porsche. Let's see if we see any supercar spotters on the street today. Somebody's always out here catching videos of supercars. Today we're gonna catch videos of supercar spotters. How about that? Beverly Hills 90210. Kids hanging out on the block. Don't they have homework? Something to do? Something like that, you know? Yeah, there we go. There we go. We're catching a few looks. Oh, there's a Bentley. Oh, in front we got, what do we have here? We got a boom bam Lamborghini, baby.
I love how this guy just discreetly holds up his phone as he walks by.
Here we go. We got a supercar spotter.
Now this guy, he's a pro. You'll see what I'm talking about.
Right there, baby. Let's give him a little exhaust noise, you know? A little exhaust noise. This is what it's like driving through Beverly Hills in a supercar. I don't even know who's in front of me right now, but this dude might be rich and famous. Pushing the Lamborghini. It's the California life. Yo, this guy is still following us right now. He's still following us right now.
This man sprinted down the block to get more footage. Is he a pro or what?
Supercar spotting. I will see this car on YouTube. How about that? He is having a grand time spotting supercars. Glad we could be a part of his video. All right. Let's see where to next. Let's see. Maybe I'll follow this Lambo.
So if you notice, as I'm driving, the car switches between gas and electric. This is why this car gets such good inner city gas mileage.
All right, here we are. We're back up at the top of the block. We're gonna give it another run.
So what's interesting is this car is running through the streets badgeless. People have no idea what it is. They can recognize a Bentley, a Lamborghini, and all kind of other exotic cars. But once you take the badges off, sometimes it leaves them clueless. Which brings up a great point that the badges will be restored to this vehicle to present it as what it rightfully so, a supercar built by Acura that deserves the respect just as any other supercar rolling through the streets of Beverly Hills.
Say bye to the Lambo. Turn down here. Check this street out. Oh, there we go. Lambo. Blue Lamborghini. All right.
So we had a great time in Beverly Hills. Got to see some really cool cars up close, in personal. Got to experience driving in a supercar live in Beverly Hills, to be a part of the action of those on the streets looking for cool cars to take pictures of. Actually, you know, interestingly enough, saw people posing in front of the blue Lamborghini, taking shots for who knows what social media platform. But nonetheless, it was a great experience. Really excited to have had this opportunity to be in the California area and experience this firsthand. Want to give a shout out to my lovely, beautiful wife, who is a great supporter of the channel and helped make a lot of this happen, a lot of this possible. So appreciate you, baby. Love you. More videos coming soon of the NSX. Stay tuned, and thanks for watching.